Councilor Sposado.
Thank you, Mr. President. I'd just like to bring up one point. I'm reading from the charter of the town of Westerly, Chapter 7, Article 7, Chapter 1, discusses the Finance Department. And under the qualifications for the Finance Director, it simply has one sentence. The Director of Finance shall have a knowledge of municipal accounting and taxation and shall have had experience in budgeting and financial control. That's the only qualifications listed in the charter. Now, with respect to Mr. Lombardo, sir, I don't know what document you were reading there. Would it list the qualifications? Was it a job application or a thing? I don't know what the source of that document was.
John,
It's not coming from the town charter.
It's just like when you,
Is it a job summary or?
this is when I ask under the public records request for the description of the job. I got this. Finance Director, non-union, administrative exempt, reports to town manager and superintendent of school, and the job summary is in direct conflict with the statute, the section above that you just read from, but,
Again, sir, is that, what's the source of that document? I mean, is it the...
Director of it's the town of Westerly.
Or what is it?
No,
It's a job description.
it's a job
It's a
description.
It's a town of Westerly job description.
But it doesn't supersede the charter, obviously.
Nothing can supersede the charter.
No.
Okay.
You know what, they're guidelines, and needless to say, I know what that says, and, you know, it is what it is. You can't dispute what the job description says. Needless to say, the former HR director and myself know that an entire review of all the job descriptions is necessary, just like we do with the charter, and this just unfortunately happens to be, I mean, look at my job description. It says I need to be able to practice law. I'm not an attorney, so there, you know, I'm in violation of but, you know, council made that decision. So, I mean, all the job descriptions need to be reviewed. They haven't been reviewed in a long time, I can't emphasize that enough. So that is something that me and the next HR director are going to do. We're going to review all the job descriptions and then, you know, put those forward as something that reflects what we actually need. And, you know, that's a perfect example. What are the qualifications that we want in our positions? But most job descriptions also have a line that say, or relevant experience and knowledge. This one, unfortunately, does not have that. So, you know, I'm glad it gets brought up because it actually points to the fact that our job descriptions are outdated, very outdated.